Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. I forgot what I was going to say. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope you're having a great day. Happy Friday. Whoop whoop. Feliz Viernes. Today is August 12. Agosto 12. And we are here for a day with summer rain. And summer rain is the real born summer rain by Bountiful Baby. I just kept her name because I think the name is gorgeous, and she is gorgeous. See, and she was made by Natalie Shirley. She's in Canada, so she came all the way from Canada. And she's wearing this blue shirt with pink flowers. She has a white pant with pink in the trim. She has pink socks and a pink bow, and she's holding her pink giraffe. Very happy giraffe, looking all sweet, 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 my baby. I love her so much. She is a special one. I won her. Let me tell you her story. I won her on a rifle. I picked up the lucky 13, and that was the winning number. So yeah, she's a special baby. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed weekend. Oh my goodness, it's Friday. Have fun, stay safe, and see you next time. Se me cuidan. Chaito. Bye bye.